I can try snail बोरा। अलग अलग टाइप के पकोड़ा। हेलो गाइस, अभी मैं हूँ नंबोल बोरा। क्या नाम है इस जगह का? नंबोल बोरा होटल
IP नंबोल पर।
मुझे बताया गया कि ये जगह पे बहुत ही बढ़िया बोरा मिलते हैं। मतलब मुझे तो ये पकोड़े जैसे ही लगते हैं, बट यहाँ पे से बोरा बोलते हैं। एंड यहाँ पे अलग अलग तरीके के हट हैं। हम यहाँ पे जाएंगे एंड एक एक करके यहाँ पे बोरा ट्राई करेंगे। देखते हैं क्या क्या बोरा है यहाँ पे। कुछ स्पेशल भी है नहीं। We have to go from there.
Yeah, swim from there.
I think we can go from here as well. Okay, let's not take that risk. Do not pick flower. Okay? उस जगह पे VIP लिखा हुआ है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन। लेट्स सी कि क्या डिफरेंस। बाकी सब जगह से यहाँ पे बैठना थोड़ा ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है क्योंकि वो एकदम बीच में है। व्हाट्स दैट? दिस इज फॉर कैचिंग फिश बट दे आर यूजिंग इट एज अ डेकोरेशन। हाउ मेनी पीपल कैन सिट हियर? आई थिंक ये पूरा का पूरा जो है बैम्बू से बना हुआ है। बैम्बू एंड सम वुड।
Are you expecting me to say
No,
something?
if you have any views on this, you can share. Not a view, but they also have similar kind of setup there, but that is very long. Is it for like public gathering, public
No
party?
idea. I have not been to that place.
One bottle is there. You also have OCD, na?
Yes.
Now you go and pick that bottle up.
I don't know how to swim. What
Okay.
if I fall inside?
I will go.
He is doing something illegal, Bhaya.
I'm not.
Bhaya. Too far away.
ये लग रहा था कि काफी पास में है, but actually it's very far.
Chup, don't go inside, okay?
Yay! This place has so many rooms, so many. ऑर्डर कैसे देंगे हम? ऑर्डर
लोग बुला करेंगे सर, बुला के लाऊंगा वीडियो बनाने।
They will come to take the order.
Okay.
That time they have come already, but we were taking videos. So pick a place.
I want to sit somewhere
there.
in that place. Look, वो वाली जो जगह है ना, वहाँ मैं बैठना चाहता हूँ, बट वो बहुत देर से ऑक्यूपाइड है। This place is like very fragile. If कोई इस पे कूदेगा ना, तो it feels like it might break. But why would you jump here? She thought I'm a waiter, right?
Yeah.
यहाँ पे सबसे फेमस क्या है? सबसे फेमस बोरा?
स्नेल बोरा।
स्नेल बोरा and
Atopa di ka.
มันด้วยจัด
Ka snail ka tang ka unique oy ba ko.
yeah, I can try snail bora,
Khajing
but I don't know whether I'll like it or
Khajing
not.
bora.
อะไรกัน
Bora.
Shrimp bora?
Kokais.
Which bora?
This kokha bora.
Koka. What is koka?
I think it looks like a animal.
Let's only eat those things which we don't get anywhere. Look, this is Manipuri indigenous. This is combo. Veg, thoroi, kauka, khajing, pakora, aloo, shak, singju, everything is there. So the kauka is like a Hanuman. What? Hanuman?
Gada.
Gada. Hanuman Gada. Manti. Ishing.
Oh meow meow.
Oh.
Hi meow meow.
Oh, very friendly cat. अरे यार, ये तो बहुत फ्रेंडली कैट है यार। Okay, now let's focus on our food.
Closing this, okay?
Manipuri indigenous IP Boru. What is IP?
grandfather grandmother
Oh,
Ah?
initials of grandma.
Oh,
Si achaw ni si taw biro.
Big one,
Hachiki
okay.
combo do.
okay.
Ya ni atay wa la sa jar.
Lemon tea, right?
Yes.
And what is this? Oh, aloo pakora. Pakora, like water वाला pakora type. And यहाँ पर है भाई अलग अलग टाइप के पकोड़ा. No, not sorry, बोरा.
Snail bora. Tharoi bora.
This is tharoi. Tharoi means snail bora.
Snail.
Okay, doesn't look like snail.
Yeah. It's
It's a
deep fried. So.
different. Okay. And then
this is Kobe bora. This
Kobe.
is cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Oh, Kobe. Yes, people call it Kobe.
This is aloo.
Aloo bora. Okay.
This is
Mirchi bora. That's
no, not mirchi, this
oh,
is
bangan.
Bangan.
Brinjal bora. But this is mirchi, right? This is the
Yes, that is the big mirchi.
mirchi bora. Okay. This is egg bora.
Oh, that big bora. This is the
These are what?
khajing bora.
Khajing.
Khajing.
Like a
Shrimp.
prawns. Shrimp.
Shrimp.
What is the difference between prawns and shrimp?
Prawns are large.
Confused होता मुझे. Prawns are larger. Okay. And what is this?
This is Shinju.
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 Shinju is must.
This is
Okay.
Shinju bamboo stem.
So मुझे लग रहा था कि ये दो जो है ना सब्जी एक जैसी है, बट ये लग रही है ऐसे दिखाना सही रहेगा. आलू की सब्जी. And this is the pakora.
Usually they serve this in Manipuri or shops also.
Manipuri ushob. What is ushob?
Feast usually they're
Like a full complete thali, Manipuri thali. Tharoi bora, which is of snail. So I'm putting some chutney in this. Let's try this. Look, this thing is so deep fried that I cannot tell what's the taste of this snail, but it is little squishy type. Rubber, thoda rubber जैसा. Good.
taste of taro is not very evident.
इनका ये मस्टर्ड का चटनी they give ना with पकोड़ा, that is very good. It's like very rubbery, not rubbery, but like a rubber. So this is the tharoi, and yeah, this is the shrimp. Is this? It's like a one big cookie.
Choco chips.
Choco chips. How to?
Try.
Yeah, but it's very oily. This is. Can I eat whole or like?
Yeah, you can.
Compared to earlier one, I like this
When we prepare at home for like fry or anything.
because I think like these can stuck to our teeth and all these.
Like if you chew properly, it won't. It's not like some fish bone or anything. Look wise, aesthetic wise, it's a little annoying.
But just for aesthetic. So this is the shrimp. So let's taste shrimp. Shrimp बोलते हैं ना मेरे को फॉरेस्ट गंप वाली मूवी याद आ जाती है. Something like that.
That is prawns, right?
Oh, that is prawns. Got confused between prawns and shrimps. Right. Is boba prawns or boba shrimps? I don't know.
Prawns, they usually live in fresh water,
Prawns in fresh water,
and then shrimp are mostly found in salt water.
salty water. This is Shinju, but to be very honest, मेरे को यहाँ का Shinju बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगा. Now I can rate Shinju because I have eaten it at so many good places. It's not salty. There is no. It's very bland. So here, best way to eat Shinju is take this aloo ka sabji because it is little salty. It has some taste in it, and then take some Shinju. And now it's good. This base of what is this? Green leaves. Nakupi. So yeah. Can I eat like this? What is coca? This is coca, but there are very few coca in this.
This one here.
This is coca. Its shape is okay. There I think mix of two. This is coca. And how does it taste like?
Tastes a little bit nutty. And here I don't think you'll be able to.
It is not
take out
crunchy.
that.
It is soft,
No, it is soft.
but little sweet. Very little,
Slightly
sweet. Where is? I want to taste another.
Taste one without the chutney. So that the original taste. Again, taste this one
Without chutney.
without chutney.
Look, आ गई बिल्ली. And yes. This one is so good, so soft. Mustard is quite good. अब जो है बाकी नॉर्मल वाले पकोड़े बचे हुए जो I have tasted many times. Guess what would be my favorite out of all these? Which?
Are we talking to me?
What?
Your favorite will be the bangan one.
No, gobi.
Gobi. Ah, that was
But after this is to my favorite. But अगर प्याज वाला इधर होता then प्याज would be my favorite. So I'll eat this gobi. What are your top threes here?
Snail Bora is one.
Snail Bora one.
Kajang Bora.
She's leaving it for the end. Let's eat it. Okay.
And then
Third.
this pakora will be
Pakora.
Bangan Bora is good.
Bangan Bora. Yes, I also like it.
That is sweet.
Sweet, yes.
So which is your favorite protein? What about egg?
Oh, eggs are like my staple food. Like those are like my. I eat eggs like a tablet. Every day, four eggs I eat. This boiled egg. If I put some onion, tomato, this dhania and green chutney, then nothing can be better than that and healthier than that. And people are watching me from behind. If you have to choose between chicken and fish, what would you choose? Taste wise?
I will choose fish. I can leave chicken, but I cannot leave fish.
No, but I really like they utilize these cups like you get it free from Nescafe, you know? This one I really like. In this sabji na, there is one different kind of taste is coming. Taste this, some kind of a herb. Shomaroi, fadikom. Ava fadikom is the other. Huh?
Fadigom.
एंड सारे बोरा हो चुके हैं फिनिश. एंड इस जगह की अच्छी बात ये थी जो इसका ये कॉम्बो वाला पैक है ना, जो इसका ये कॉम्बो वाला डिश है ना, इसके अंदर सारे बोरा आ जाते हैं. सो ये लेना ज़्यादा बढ़िया अगर आपको अलग अलग तरीके का बोरा ट्राई करना है. ओके, इट्स टाइम टू गो. कम ऑन. दिस प्लेस इज ऑसम फॉर ईटिंग बोरा. दिस इज द बेस्ट प्लेस.
The cat is scared.
So many cats are here.
This is bigger.
Yeah.
Oh, see this. So big.
Which flower is it? Hibiscus.
Yeah. Put your face close to it so that we can compare the size.
Yeah. Oh.
You can do one thing.
What?
Let's take one. We can't plug this,
Yeah.
obviously.
Ah.
So ear, no. Keep it on your ear.
Ear?
And do that. This
Why?
Hawaii dance with the flower. Ooh.
So you can show
I'm in
the
love
place.
with
This place is so
Japan.
good and very good for eating bora.
Okay.